Hello, my name is Bojana Bellamy and I'm the president of the Center for Information Policy Leadership at Hunton and Williams. Today I was lucky enough to be the speaker at the Cloud Law Summit here in London at a panel where we really gave a little bit of a wider perspective on privacy and security trends, challenges, issues that every single organization is facing today, and particularly those that are engaging in cloud services, either because they're cloud providers or because they're cloud users. And one of the key messages perhaps that I wanted to impart is that I'm sensing that this is the area which is incredibly ripe for industry action and industry proactively stepping up and providing best practices, both as cloud providers and cloud users. Compliance with privacy and security laws is just not going to be enough in my book. There are a number of these international developments in the area of cloud services and cloud protection that I think organizations simply have to be aware of. Accountability models such as being proactive about privacy management in the cloud is a good thing for business. It's good for service providers, cloud providers, because it brings trust in those who are using cloud technology, but also it brings this very important trust with regulators, those who are regulating everybody, including the cloud providers as well. In Europe, we have seen emergence of these additional accountability models. They're being proposed in the new privacy regulation. They're also coming from international arenas, such as international standards, for example, 27018, which is a new cloud and security privacy standard, which really would help incredibly cement the trust and cement the best practices that cloud providers should be implementing in their organizations. And this is incredibly consistent with this accountability principle, which we are seeing everywhere, frankly, around the world now in the world of data privacy and security. And that's all about stepping up and doing beyond just pure legal compliance. It's good for business, and it certainly is good for one's regulatory posture as well. Cloud is a very specific topic, and often cloud technologists and cloud lawyers think about these issues alone, in their own office environment while they're sending emails, negotiating contracts. Yet, it is an incredibly important technology that actually touches everybody here, not just because we are service providers or we are users, but we are also citizens who use cloud services. And therefore, I think it really is important to have this type of dialogue where different stakeholders come together and are able to discuss and understand not just the technology, but lots of legal implications of this technology, which is really why it is good to be here, and delighted that I had an opportunity to speak about. And certainly even I, and I think of myself as a seasoned privacy professional, I find it very useful to get out of my usual office day-to-day environment and be able to think wider, bigger, connect people, and hear from competitors and peers alike.